What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be replacing what comes with different spacers depending on what you're doing, race, track, road, all that great stuff. So let's get to it. First, remove the airbox from the bike. As you can see, I have already removed the air. It looks so scary. Hopefully I can put everything back together. Then once you remove the airbox, disconnect the old throttle cables. And then what you need is a 10mm. You loosen up the throttle cable. And you loosen it, take it out. Once you take out the old one, you put, I'm using this thing from the camera. From what you put the new cables. Here's the next day. So I'm going to continue installing the Domino grip. I already put the cable, the new throttle cables in. It's a pain in this bike. So for you to install it, I'll show you. So the throttle cables is right over here. Right over here. So we gotta take the oil box out. This throttle right here. You can see that. Moves both cylinders. Yeah. Let's continue doing this. Hopefully I remember how to put everything back, right? And stay tuned for more. Thank you for sticking with me. I'm just going to show y'all what's in the box again. The cables, which I already installed, comes with a manual. Very helpful. Plug and play. Got the plug and play one. Pretty simple. Right here. It's the Domino XM2 throttle kit. I got it with the grip. Feels very nice. Like is the clutch side and this is the throttle side over here. The one that's here, look at the throttle. Boom. There's 3 different spacers. I'll show you. There's green, red, and white. I guess unscrew this. So there's 3 throttle spacers. On the manual it says the green one, the OEM one. The red one is a progressive, so it's more aggressive. As you can see, when you open the throttle, it's quicker. And then the white, very aggressive. I'll show you in the housing. Put this one back in, right? This goes on your handlebar. Look at the, right? Closed throttle, right? Open throttle. That's all. I don't know how I can show you guys this. Okay, from the logo, right there. Whole throttle right there. I'll put the red one. I'm trying to die in the streets. Filthy streets of Boston. So I just finished installing the other side's grip. I just installed this grip. Looking good. Now I'm going to put the bar ends and that will complete today's video. Then I got, this is for the Ducati V2, but it will fit these bars. Gonna look nice. Open this, make sure you don't scratch your stuff. Here it is. So it comes with different rubber rings, so depending on the thickness of your bar. It has a small, a medium that's on this already, and the large. So this will fit a lot of bike. Small for me is too small. The large is probably too hard. So I'm gonna go with the medium side. And it is a 5mm Allen key. And the way you put it on, super simple. You're gonna slide it on your bar and then just tighten it. Make sure you don't do it too tight, but not too loose that it moves around, you know? That should do it. Next side, same process here, just slide it, and that's how you do it, guys. That finishes the handlebar. Check it out. Duca bike looks pretty good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Let me just show you guys something. Look at this throttle, guys. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching. Peace out.